Senior advocate Meneka Guruswamy has taken oath as a Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, marking a historic moment as she becomes India's first openly queer MP. She was among 19 newly elected and re-elected members who were sworn in on April 6 in the presence of Rajya Sabha Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan. Guruswamy, nominated by the Trinamool Congress led by Mamata Banerjee, is a noted constitutional expert who played a key role in the 2018 Supreme Court judgment that decriminalized homosexuality in India. Her entry into politics is being seen as a significant milestone for representation and inclusivity in Indian politics, with many highlighting its broader social significance. Alongside her, several members from states including West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Odisha also took oath. Prominent names included Sharat Chandra Pawar and Anbumani Ramadoss. The oath-taking ceremony was also attended by Deputy Chairman Harivansh and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju.
আমি বাবুল সুপ্রিয় বড়াল রাজ্যসভায় সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া
I, Dr. Meneka Guruswamy,
আমি রুক্মিণী মল্লিক রাজ্যসভায় সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া
আমি বিশ্বজিৎ সিনহা ওরফে রাহুল রাজ্যসভার সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া
আমি রাজীব কুমার রাজ্যসভায় সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া
Thank you.